My name is Mr. Gordyke, Ivan Gordyke, Lawton Road, 73. I've just had Solar for Good install a 10 panel solar system to my garage roof. Basically lovely people, engineers were perfect, very well mannered. Basically it's a give energy system, and it's all logged into the internet through my Wi-Fi system. And basically I am at this moment finished charging up the batteries that come as a half charge system. Basically by this evening or by tomorrow it will be fully charged, and then I'll basically be giving back to the system what I don't use. And I'll be on a new tariff through Optimus Energy.
How did we do, Miss Ivan?
Basically Solar for Good, absolutely perfect, wonderful company, local company to this area, Stanmore, Harrow area. Lovely people to deal with, 100% bona fide. Gave me a really good cost of the system. Even though I'm an electrician and I could have done it, obviously a lot of it myself, I haven't got the knowledge, so basically I put it out to them. But the deal was great, it's wonderful.
Thank you
very much.